am Tanvi, student of 8th batch CCP. Here I am explained about kidney. Kidneys are a pair of excretory organs situated on the posterior abdominal wall, one on each side of lumbar part of vertebral column. Since the massive liver occupies right hypochondrium, left kidney is slightly at a higher level than right kidney. Kidney is a retroperitoneal organ. Next, we discuss about shape. Shape of the kidney is bean-shaped structure. Size: length 7.5 to 10 cm, width 5 cm, thickness 2.5 cm, weight 150 gram. Poles: two poles, upper pole, lower pole. Upper pole is broader. It is related to suprarenal gland or adrenal gland. Lower pole is pointed. Borders: there are two borders. Lateral border, medial border. Lateral border is convex, medial border is concave. Middle of the medial border is depressed, called hilum. Hilum leads into a space called the renal sinus. Sinus occupied by upper part of ureter is called renal pelvis. Triangular areas of renal tissue is called the medullary pyramid. Part of renal cortex projecting between renal column. Kidney is covered by fibrous capsule, outer cortex, inner medulla. Thank you.